Namhlanje, i-Pan-Africanist Parliament ifungise amalungu amathathu ase-South Africa, ANC, MK Party ne-EFF. Okwakho-ke ukuthi ubuke le video elandelayo.
From South Africa, Honorable R.M. Mutsweni Tsipane, Honorable M. Ntuli, Honorable M. Chetty, Honorable D. Zuma Sambudla, and Honorable V. Pambo.
Uyangapha Bambo, uyangapha. Sondela chief. Listen. I Refilwe Maria Mutsweni Tsipane.
I'm Tumiseni Ntuli.
I, Tutuzuma Sambula,
I, Vuyani Pambo.
Hereby solemnly declare that I will perform my functions as a member of the Pan-African Parliament to the best of my ability and with honor and dignity in the service of the peoples of Africa. I will be faithful and bear true allegiance to the African Union and will preserve, protect, and defend the Constitutive Act of the African Union and the Protocol of the Treaty establishing the African Economic Community relating to the Pan-African Parliament as by law established. And I will promote adherence to the principles of good governance, democracy, human rights, international humanitarian law, peace, stability, and all objectives of the Pan-African Parliament. So help me God. Send it.
My name is Vuyani Pambo, and I'm waiting to be sworn in as a member of the Pan-African Parliament. Of course, there are many disappointments with what is happening here, but we hope to change most of what is happening, one of which is the punctuality issue. The Parliament has not been taking itself seriously by starting on time as it had said it would. And these are one of the things that set the tone. So as members of Parliament, we ought to start at the time that we say we're going to start. If we're going to get anything right, whether it's Agenda 2063 or not, we have to be able to start on time on our own. And I think these are the things that we are going to start with to get our house in order. But other than that, we are excited to be here to serve the people of Africa and the diaspora. Thank you very much.
My name is Ntuli. I'm a member of the South African Parliament, here today to be sworn in as one of the new members of the Pan-African Parliament. And I'm very happy and excited that we are here to make a contribution, to join the rest of the Africans in the continent, in the Parliament of the people of our continent, and make a contribution on behalf of our country and the rest of the continent.
Hi, good morning. This is Honorable Zuma Sambula. I'm at the Pan-African Parliament today, being sworn in, and I'm very excited to take up this role because I have a passion for African unity, and being here is going to be kind of a driving force. I think as South Africans, being part of the PAP is a great deal in terms of kind of bringing in the unity of Africans, and we just hope for all the best. Thank you.
My name is Refilo Mtsweni. I'm quite excited to be nominated as one of the parliamentarians who will serve in the Pan-African Parliament. So I'm quite looking forward, very enthusiastic of the deliberations that will ensue in shaping our continent as Africans. So therefore, we really appreciate the opportunity that has been given to us. Yeah, we're looking forward to be sworn in today as members, and in all honesty, we believe that we will have quite fruitful engagement, deliberations that sought to emancipate Africans in general towards economic emancipation.